In this video, I will go deeper into the way you can use the alerts option in the TradingView SuperChart. So let's get started. There are different ways to set an alert to the chart. You can create an alert by using the alert button in the top bar. There's an option where you can create an alert when you right-click somewhere in the main chart. You can also create an alert when you use the settings option in the symbol overview. Or if you have an indicator, you can also create an alert from the menu over there. You can create an alarm in the alarm pane after you click the alarm button in the right bar. And there is also a keyboard shortcut that lets you make an alarm by pressing Alt-A. For the sake of this demonstration, I will add alerts via the main alert button in the top bar of the SuperChart. Let's open the alert dialog. If you don't have any other indicators on the screen, you only have the option to create an alert based on the symbol price. But in my case, I also have the volume on the screen, so I can make an alarm based on the volume as well. The alert can, in this case, be based on the parameters that compare the current live price in relation to this predefined price. And there are a whole range of options here. For example, you can create an alert when the current price crosses up or down the predefined price. It can also give an alert as long as the price is above or below this level. When you select the channel option, you have to set two prices, an upper bound and a lower bound. And when you choose off one of the moving options, then you can set an alarm based on price change, in absolute price, but also in percentages. The trigger gives the option to give a signal once or every time the occurrence happens. Or in the case of bars, it can give alerts only once per bar, every time the condition is met at bar close, or every time the condition is met, but not more than once per minute. For the lower plans, there is an obligated expiration data for alarms. But premium plan members also have the option to make an open-ended alert, so no expiration date for higher priced plans. You can give the alarm a specific alert name and message, and as you can see, the message can also contain variables from the TradingView platform. So by using this, you can make the messages more concrete, more meaningful and more actual. On the second tab, you can set the way the alert is sent to you. The options here are an alert in the TradingView app on your phone, or showing a pop-up on your current open TradingView SuperChart. Or you can choose the option to make TradingView send an alert to the email address you have configured in your profile. And also you can create a webhook URL that pushes messages to a certain URL of other applications that makes use of webhooks. There is an option that gives you the possibility to set a sound that will be played on your computer for a certain amount of time. So you can also be notified by sound for when TradingView is open in the background. And finally, you can send a plain text message to a custom email of your choice. But this address has to be verified by you first before it can work. So these are the default options to set an alert based on a certain price level, price window or on bars. But you can also set price alerts on other chart items like indicators. Or even create alerts between completely different indicators by themselves. Let's see that in action also. First, we have to add some indicators on the SuperChart. I'll open the indicators window with a slash and search for two simple indicators just as example. I'll choose moving average simple and moving average exponential and also go to a lower time frame to get more price action on the chart. And I'll also make the SMA red for more contrast between these two moving averages. Now it's time to create an alert. Press the Alt-A to open the alerts window. And now you can see in the condition pull-down menu that there are multiple indicators on which you can base the alarm. And we can compare this indicator with another indicator too. We have the same options as with the price levels concerning the conditions that has to be checked. And to show each and every option is too much for this video, but I hope you get the gist of this demonstration here. The alarm I want to have for this specific demonstration is when the EMA crosses the SMA, no matter in which direction. And I'll set it for the coming month, which is the maximum duration for this alarm. Then I'll also set the notifications and I want to play a nice little sound when the crossover happens. Now we are all set and click on create. And now we wait. In the meantime, we can click on the right side bars alerts button to see all the configured alerts. And let's explore the alarms pane a little bit further. With my current plus plan, I can create 100 price alerts. And I can also create 100 technical alerts. With the plus button, I can create a new alert. And with the settings ellipsis, I can alter the way I see the alerts overview. I can also restart all inactive alerts. Or I can stop all the active alerts here. I can remove all inactive or just all alerts. And I can also have multiple show options to see the alerts in this window. And I can also filter these so that I only see the alerts of the current symbol or current time interval. Furthermore, I can choose to see the name, message, icon, logo and last triggered status in this overview. Now let me go back to the previous configured alarm again. The alarm I just configured was set to trigger only once, and after it was triggered it stopped. Now to enable this again, I can hover over the alarm and press the restart button again. If I want to make this alarm permanent, I can also edit the alarm again and set it to trigger once per bar, or once per bar close, or once per minute. Now if I save the alarm, it automatically gets activated again. And you can see now that the pause button and clone button are not grayed out anymore. And if I right click on the alarm, a menu appears with even more options. Now these are self-explanatory, and I will only do a clone of the alarm to show you what happens. And if I clone it, it creates a second alarm with the exact same settings. It is only paused and the remark clone has been added to it. Clicking on the Edit Alert button gives the opportunity to configure the alarm. And if I save it, it will get activated again. And now you can also see that 2 of the 100 available alarms positions has been used. So in this short video, I showed you a way to set up alarms in TradingView. I hope that you now have enough information from this instruction and you can configure them now confidently to get the necessary alarms for good trading opportunities. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like me to demonstrate something else on the TradingView platform, please let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Also, if you want to buy a TradingView subscription, then you get $15 off if you purchase it through my affiliate link. For now, this is the end of this video and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!